Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write an essay on National Unity Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is National Unity Day is a significant observance in India. Second line is it is celebrated on 31st October each year. Third line is this day marks the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Fourth line is he is also known as the Iron Man of India. Fifth line is he worked tirelessly to integrate the princely states into an independent nation. Sixth line is his vision and determination brought together over 562 princely states. Seventh line is this ensured and united and integrated India. Eighth line is this day serves as a reminder of the importance of unity in a diverse nation. Next line is, it promotes the values of harmony and cooperation amongst citizens. Last line is, unity is the foundation of a strong and prosperous nation.